This is Weston Evans, and this is the demo of a newly built sidewalk routing system. So overall, the system was built to automate office tasks, improve map functionality for crew members, and make the sidewalk contract management process easier overall. First, I'll go over an overview of what it does, just kind of ignore what's on the screen right now. So the system is built on the computer at the office right now, and this is the desktop of that computer. I'm actually doing this demo from home, so this is my actual computer at home. So what it does overall is it takes the city workers' original Excel file, the one that they sent to a supervisor. It auto-formats a checklist for the field workers. It automatically prints all addresses and the checklist for the field workers. It eliminates the need for someone to be at the office to physically print the documents. And finally, it routes all of the addresses and sends emails based on its configuration. The map has some additional features that I will go over later. And then I'm going to get straight into how it works, basically from the supervisor's perspective. So let's just say that a city worker has sent an Excel file. Here it is on the desktop here. I'm just going to open it and show you what it looks like. So it's pretty standard. There's the top row here. They have the property address, city, case number, and the comments. So this is what I will be sending. All you have to do is drag it to the attachments. I'm using Outlook, and Gmail would be basically the same. Make sure to send it to this address. Then I'm going to open up to show you what the system is actually doing in real time. It's currently running. So all you have to do is send it, and then we're going to watch it process it on the right side here. So you can see it got the email from the sender, and it's currently processing it. So it spits out a bunch of testing information, address information, then it auto replies. It just tried printing, you can see in the window here, but because there's no printer connected, it won't actually print and waste all the documents, all the paper. So I'm just going to cancel both of those for now. And then if you check your inbox, it sends the new checklist and the map. So let's just look at the generated checklist for the work order. So it has a address number, the address, before, during, after, comments, and the route. You can see this one only generated 2 routes with a capacity of 30 addresses per route, but that can be configured later as well. So let's just open the map. You have to download it first. And then view it in a browser. This works from your phone as well. You can just download the file and view it. You don't actually need an internet connection to view the map itself, which is pretty useful. So this is the map itself. There is a couple features. You can change it to dark mode or light mode. And from the field worker's perspective, the routes are already highlighted. All they have to do is select the one that they're currently on. So if they're on route 1, these are the addresses. Alright, so from the field worker's perspective, they're obviously going to have this checklist that was printed out and emailed to them as well. All they have to do is follow along according to the route that they're taking. They'll see that the first address that Route 1 needs to take is address number 28, which is 1216 Cedar Lake Road South. So let's just highlight Route 1. All they have to do is click on it. They can get an automatic street view to show the house that they're at. So if they're ever confused about where they are, 1216 is on the other side, I believe. Yeah, so it'd be on the other side, just to give them a general idea of whether they're in the right area or not. Then all they have to do is close that tab to get back to where they were. And then if they want automatic directions to that address, all they have to do is click on the lower link. This was generated from the computer at the office, so it's going from there to that address, but if they're on their phones, it will route them from their current location to the next stop. Basically, all they have to do is follow through from that point, do their checks, and that's pretty much it. There are some more features in progress, but I just wanted to show a decent workable version of this. I think there are many advantages to using this over the current solution. Thanks for watching.